Hey, what's up guys? So after much anticipation, the OnePlus 12 is scheduled to launch on December 5 in China. It will be the best OnePlus phone to date. Like every year, the main highlighting aspect of the OnePlus 12 will be its camera. But apart from this, the OnePlus 12 will pack some such features that will make the OnePlus 12 really hard to beat. One of those features is of course the camera system. The OnePlus 12 will get the more premium Sony Lightia 808 primary camera with optical image stabilization. It's a dual layer stacked camera sensor with dual layer transistorized pixel technology. The main sensor will be paired with an OmniVision 64 megapixel periscope lens and a 48 megapixel ultra wide lens. Since it's a OnePlus phone, the cameras will be tuned by Hasselblad's optimization. Another highlighting feature of the device is the display. The OnePlus 12 is getting the BOE X1 OLED panel, which is also known as the Oriental screen. It's a crispy clear curved display with 2K resolution with 120Hz refresh rate. It is the brightest display on any smartphone with 4500 nits of peak brightness. The display also features 2160Hz PWM dimming. These are the real hands-on images, and as you can see, the display looks gorgeous. Underneath the display, there is a new fingerprint scanner which is slimmer and more responsive than previous iterations. The device will be an absolute beast when it comes to performance. It is powered by the latest Qualcomm Flagship, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip with Adreno 750 GPU. The device scored record-breaking AnTuTu score of more than 2 millions. One of the main reasons for sustained performance is the massive vapor chamber liquid cooling system. The OnePlus 11 didn't feature wireless charging, which is a must-have feature on any flagship phone. But that won't be the case with the OnePlus 12, as it will now feature 50-watt fast wireless charging. Additionally, a 100-watt fast charger will be bundled in the box, which will charge the 5400 mAh battery of the OnePlus 12. The OnePlus 12 will come with up to 24GB of super-fast LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. The Chinese variant will get Color OS and the global variant will get Oxygen OS based on Android 14. According to rumors, the global debut will start with India launch on January 23. So yeah guys, I'm really excited for the OnePlus 12 and let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.